Burnout. Just doing a burnout.
Yeah.
Look at that.
How's it going, YouTube?
What's up, everyone?
Welcome back.
First Timers Baby Edition.
We are back, Hiro and Alvin. And of course, we're doing this one in the garage.
Yeah.
Main reason is, you know, if we're going to be working on a Jeep, we want to be
in the garage.
In the garage. So today we got the little 3-in-1 Grow With Me walker.
Jeep Wrangler.
Yeah, it's a Jeep Wrangler. Obviously, we're pretty excited to set this one up. Obviously, AJ is still not walking, but I kind of wanted to set it up just because he's been using his legs a lot, and I kind of wanted to see how he was going to do, you know, and sit a minute just for, you know, a little bit, just to see what he's going to do with it. But I know he's not ready for it, but I just want to do it, so.
Yeah, why not?
You know, why not? That's what Hiro said. And he's, you know, his head strength's pretty good, so he's not bobbling like he was at the first time, you know, all that fun stuff. So he's looking pretty good. So anyway, let's jump into it. Let's do it. Let's cut it. Let's destroy it. Woo. As we're doing this, guys, don't forget, every Wednesday we showcase baby videos.
Edition, yep.
And here, let's just turn the box sideways. So of course it comes in pieces. We got a little gauge cluster. Oh, we put the instructions in there too.
Oh, instructions. Toss them.
Look at that. Got our little Jeep.
Oh, no. Oh, that's an automatic shifter, dude.
I don't think they come with.
You gotta start them in manual.
Oh, actually, if you move it. I thought it was gonna move. Maybe it does. Oh, it needs batteries. Okay. So there's batteries, so it probably does more than what obviously we're showcasing there.
Probably batteries are not included, right?
Yeah.
Not included, okay.
And then, of course, you got the little baby seat, the little Jeep. Actually, pretty well padded too, considering. Look at that.
Oh yeah, the back padding. Oh yeah, it's really cushiony.
Yeah.
Boom.
So the baby will sit in there.
Oh, nice.
You lock the baby in there. It's actually a pretty solid piece right here. So yeah, I'm actually pretty excited.
Front side, back side, headlights here. No, oh yeah, there's tail lights. Are there tail lights? No tail lights. Oh, it just clips in. Back. There. Yeah, back. Cool.
Actually, so if you guys couldn't see that, lock and clip there, so you could just pull it and it'll actually bring it right out. So it's actually pretty simple to actually put it in and out, and that's on front and back there. So actually very, very, very cool.
This looks like some sort of compartment to hold stuff. You can unlock it to open it.
Oh, a little toy compartment. So it goes on the back on the screen right there around here.
Put it back in here and lock it.
Ah, so this goes up. That's pretty cool. Looks like a little light rail. Okay. Alright, so we haven't used the instructions yet, so it's actually been pretty simple so far. And it's gonna be like the kids riding a bus.
There you go. Left turn. Start engine. Oh, push start.
Alright, so.
You didn't figure this out yet?
Not yet, but. So there's 3 little round circles here. And you can kind of see them right there. And so that'll slide right in. Then you have these little clip locks right in here. So far it looks pretty simple. We'll get it all on there.
This maybe is when it's in car mode.
Car mode?
Yeah, when the thing's lowered. And then we would have to put the wheels on for that. Oh, we can probably put the wheels on now. Yeah, we can. Okay, I'm gonna open these packages. So real quick, these wheels already come attached. There's a little clip and a little part here that you just slide it up until it clips. Pull it down to make sure it's secure. You're set.
That's pretty easy.
So now.
Yeah, it just says pull this thing through the little plastic tab.
Oh yeah, the plastic tab just goes right into it. Yep.
So you just have to pull on it hard, right?
Yep.
Until it clicks. Yeah, so this tab here, you just have to pull it in, and this plastic piece will slide right in between the plastic there and lock itself in.
Yeah. That little clip, or not clip, but faster, or I don't know what it's called.
Yeah, I know.
But anyways, it slides in there like so. Boom. You heard that clip?
Yep.
And it won't come up. Yep.
It's not in use. You just slide this in here.
Oh, so he can't just sit in there?
I guess.
So it becomes a compartment?
Yeah.
To store stuff?
Boom.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
And then how do we shrink it? We just lift it, right?
So you can just store stuff in here.
Yeah.
Okay.
So actually, it actually turned out pretty good. Pretty easy.
Adjust the mirrors. It's actual mirrors.
So, as you guys can see,
Low rider.
it's low riding. Pick it up, lock it in place. Again, that little switch here in the front. Just drop it right in.
Becomes off-roading mode.
Got its little wheels. Everything is functional.
So it's,
And you can pull this. You can pull actually the whole Jeep off of the holder there.
so maybe that's car
Take
mode.
that off there. And then look at the. But right now it's hitting with the
bag.
with the bag. But yeah. So other than that, it actually is pretty.
So show them the back.
Yeah. It's pretty sick. Looking pretty cool. Got the little mirrors there. Woo. Look at that. So anyway, let's drop it back on.
Here's the bottom.
Mhm.
Okay.
Let's put on all pieces.
This one is going to be car mode, or not car mode, off-road mode, whatever mode that's called. Done deal.
And it's in. So yeah, actually, I know you guys probably want to hear the noise. Let's see if we can.
Get some batteries.
Yeah. Right now we're just taking off the bottom piece here. A little screwdriver. I'm assuming it's AA batteries, hopefully. Woo! That was right.
Oh, signal.
I don't know why the honk after turn signal.
Probably because no. Oh.
There it is. Overall, it doesn't look bad, but I mean, considering it came in the packaging, there are some like little scuffs on it. You can kind of see it right in here. You know, obviously, I know it's a
Little
kid's
here.
toy
Yeah.
up front. You know.
A little here. But you know,
Yeah. So, it actually was pretty simple to put together.
without instructions.
Yeah, without instructions until we got to the seat.
Just needed to figure out this
Yeah.
thing, and then
So, but other than that, it actually looks pretty cool. I wonder if they make a little charger or something. Cruise around, have his little off-road vehicle, and then have his little muscle car vehicle. Woo! I'm super excited. So, anyway, guys, I know it's it's kind of a shorter video, but other than that, it was actually pretty quick and easy to put together. Less than 15 minutes, so that's actually pretty cool. Definitely something that I would already say he's probably gonna want to get a lot of usage out of it. I'd say it's very neutral and very cool looking. Run around. Can't wait to build him like a little electric car or something. You know, so that will be kind of a future.
Power wheel?
Yeah, but actually not a power wheel. Gas.
Oh,
You know,
dang.
it's like that kid that does that. I think it's like a 5-year-old that does that drifting in that little. I don't know if it's gas or electric car, and they get it sliding around the corners. Actually, I'll show that video right now. Actually, it's pretty sick. So.
I gotta see it.
So anyway, guys, you know, don't forget, check us out on Instagram, Facebook, all that fun stuff.
Links down below.
Hiro also wants to tell you.
Make sure to like this
like
video.
that video.
Hit that subscribe button down over there.
Subscribe button right there.
Yep.
And don't forget, comments, anything that you guys have questions about, or you just want to comment about particular products or have questions.
Leave that down below.
Yeah. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching.
All right.
I'll see you later.
Peace out, guys.
Bye.
Baby edition.